Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of home page on the application of REDnote. You will click on settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you will search about REDnote and you will click here. Then you will click on force stop and you will click OK. After that, you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of REDnote. Here you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your watching and your attention.